Welcome to Asym Code. Hey folks. Thanks for being here today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Assembly Language Addressing Modes, NASM x86. This program demonstrates different ways we can access and manipulate data using various addressing modes in assembly. We will use immediate, register, direct, indirect, and indexed addressing. Perform arithmetic operations. Store and access memory using different methods. Data segment, initialize values. Define a variable number 1 initialized to 10. Define another variable number 2 initialized to 5. Storage for result. Define an array with 5 elements. BSS segment, uninitialized storage. Reserve space for a temporary variable. Code segment, executable instructions. Define the entry point for the program. Immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing uses a direct constant value. Example, MOV register constant. Load the immediate value 15 into register EX. Load the immediate value 7 into register EBX. Register addressing mode. Register addressing uses values stored in registers. Example, MOV register, register. MOV EX, copy value of EBX into EX. Copy the value of EX, 15, into ECX. Add ECX, 15, to EBX, 7, EBX now holds 22. Direct addressing mode. Direct addressing accesses memory variables using their names. Example, MOV register variable. Load the value of number 1, 10, into EX. Load the value of number 2, 5, into EBX. Add number 1, 10, plus number 2, 5, EX now holds 15. Store the result, 15, into the result variable. Indirect Addressing Mode. Indirect addressing uses a register to store a memory address. Example: MOV register EX stores memory address. MOV EX load value stored at memory location in EBX. Load the address of number 1 into register ESI. Load the value at address in ESI, number 1 equals 10, into EX. Indexed addressing mode. Indexed addressing is used for accessing array elements. Example: MOV register, base plus index asterisk size. Load the index 2, third element, into ESI. Load array 2, value equals 3 into EX. Program exit, sys_exit system call. Every program must exit properly using a system call. System call for exit. X equals 1, sys_exit. EBX equals 0, exit status. Sys_exit system call. Exit code 0, success. Call Linux kernel to exit. End of program addressing mode successfully demonstrated. That's all for today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.